Hello, welcome to this video of Link Dominator. In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of how you can work with this Link Dominator. This is a wonderful software to work with if you are interested in doing any marketing campaign in LinkedIn. So let's have a look in this video that what all features are included. We'll give you an overview of all the features that are including, starting from account creation. The first step that we start with account creation. You have to have the first name, last names and things like that, so you have to have .txt file for that, and in that .txt file you can keep the list of first name, last name, email addresses and stuff like that. So once you have entered all this information, let's enter this and see how it works. In company information, again you will need a txt file that has the names of all the companies. Here we have names of few of the companies. After that, you can see that we are entering a pin code. Pin code is also called as zip code, so depending on your country you can mention it. After that, colleges, you can select colleges. After that, you have industry, then employed or job seeker, and the countries. These three options, you can either select a country, an industry, or you can even select a random. After that, you click on account creation and the account creation wizard will start working. If you like to enter proxies or captcha, you can do that during this process, and once you have done that, we will go through the detail of all the single steps. We have individual videos for all these things, so you can watch those individual videos. This video is an overview. So here the account has been created. As you can see, the accounts are saved in a file, and once you can open up linkedin.com and you can log in with the account that has been created. Let's log in this account and check whether this is working or not. So here the account has been opened. You can see the profile that has been created by Link Dominator, and let's use this for our campaigns. So here we are going to clear it, and we are going to load that file that has been created by this Link Dominator. This file has been created with all these LinkedIn accounts, and here we are adding all these accounts. So it says 5 account added. Once you go in the second step called pre-scraper, you can select one of the account of the 5 of those. You can mention the first name, last name, location, country, what type of industry you are looking for, what type of group you are looking for, what type of relationship you are looking for. You can select a language for that, and once you have all the information right there, you can select a file name, expected file name that you want, and you can start your search based on all these parameters. We'll go through, as I mentioned earlier, we'll go through all this video in detail. We have a separate video for all the singles features, so you can watch those videos for in detail process of all these. Here you can see that the file has been created, an Excel file that has a name Sumit in that, and this Excel file has all the detail. You can see it has a user profile, URL, first name, last names, headings, current title, companies. So all these detail, whatever the headlines are there, past companies, industries, websites. So you can gather all this information in just a click of a button. Once you have that, you can even go and update your status through this. Here we can see that the status has been updated, and you can see just one word is enough for you. We have added that status to this account. Next section is add connections. Add connection, you can just send invite emails. You can send email invites to the people that you can just have a list of all the email addresses. You can just send them invites, and it will automatically send to all of them. Or even you can do that one, add connects with a keyword also. You can search them on a keyword base and do that. This feature next is a create group. Here you can create a group. You can have a logo for that group. You can have a group name, summary, description, all those things for a group, and you can create it with the help of this Link Dominator. So here we are selecting what language, what is the group of type, number of persons per account, and we are going to create these groups for all the accounts, 5 accounts that we have. So as soon as you click on create groups, it's going to automatically create groups for all the accounts that has been loaded. Let's see this profile again. Do we have any groups added to this one? Yes, I can see that there are 2 groups that has been added as we have asked the software to do it. The next part is join friend group. So you can select your friend. Once you select your friend, you can select what type, how many friends group do you want to add it. Once you have selected, okay, these friends, there are 4 friends currently, we are adding it, we are just going to add it to the group, and here is the links. Now here, from the groups that are already there, you can select the group that you want to join and just click on join group, and you will be joined to one of the friends group. To this, currently we have selected 6 of them, so I believe you are going to join the 6 groups. Let's go check one more account. So these 5 groups, and just click on join group, and you'll be joining those 5 groups. After that, it comes join search group. So here we're going to join the search group, and we are going to search groups on basis of keywords. Here we have put a keyword, then we are clicking on add groups, and once you have selected the email account, you can see that how many type of groups like that are there. You can select those groups, and then you can click on just join group, and you'll be joined to all those groups. Group update. It says get group update, so you have to select the email address that you are using or the account that you are using. The accounts will come on the right side. You select the accounts for which you want to get update on that. This is the subject, and this is the body. So here we are going to send an update to all these groups, whoever we are member of, and we have selected. So we have sent an update right now. Now we are going to compose and send a message. So here we have to select first the account from which you want to send the message. Once you have selected that, you will have the list of all your friends that comes in the bottom. You can select them, or you can just choose select all. On the right side there is an option for subject and body. You can choose a subject, you can write the body right there, and once you click on send message to that, all the emails that you have selected or all the friends that you have selected on the left side, they will be receiving this message. So this is a wonderful tool that you can use. Even after this, you have a proxy settings that you can use, and it helps you to promote your products or services in the LinkedIn. It's a very powerful tool that enables you to use proxies. You can use proxies for your need. You can even use capture services like for account creation and stuff like that. You will be needing a capture services, so you can update those capture services in the settings tab, and you can do that. See here we are just showing you how to add these proxies, but you can see that's in detail in account creation video. We talk about this in detail, that how the proxies can be added and how you can clear proxies. You can use 2 types of proxies here. You can either use private proxies, or you can use the public proxies, and you can just browse and select those files, and you can use that. So that's all about for this video. I believe that you have enjoyed it. Just share it with your friends, and if you need any more detail, you can contact our support team. Thank you so much. See you for the next video. Bye.